Hello dear students. Now statistic part 1 chapter number 2 linear correlation. Okay. First of all, linear relation between two variables, depending variable and independent variable. It means cause and effect. One is cause, other is effect. Suppose in case of rainfall and yield of rise of river, usually if rainfall increase up to some extent, yield of rise also increase, and if rainfall decrease, yield of rise is also decrease. So rainfall is a cause and yield of rise is an effect. In short, જેના કારણે another વસ્તુમાં શું થતી હોય effect થતી હોય બરાબર છે cause and effect. Rain it means વરસાદ બરાબર અમુક હદ સુધી વધે તો શું થશે આપણી સાઈડ જે yield of crop જે છે increase થશે વરસાદ ઓછો થાય તો yield of crop શું થશે decrease થશે એટલે yield of crop and rainfall. Rainfall is a cause and yield of rise is a effect. Okay, cause and effect mean difference. Next topic, define for correlation or linear correlation. So write underline the correlation is said to be linear correlation. Okay, correlation is also called linear correlation. So define if there are evidences changes in the value of variable due to direct or indirect cause and effect, then it is said there is a correlation. Any two variable between direct or indirectly cause and effect, then there is a correlation between two variables. Clear? Now mean which type of correlation? Mean two types of correlation. Positive, another is negative. So positive correlation means when the changes in the value of two correlated variables are in the same direction, both are increase and both are decrease, same direction, increase or decrease, it is called positive correlation between two variables. And negative correlation means when the changes in the value of two correlated variables in the opposite direction. One variable is increase, another is decrease. One variable decrease, another is decrease. It means opposite direction. Then the correlation between then it is said to be negative. Means mainly two types of correlation: positive and negative. Both variable increase in same direction. It is called positive correlation. And both variable opposite direction, one variable increase, another is decrease, then it is called negative correlation. Mainly two types of correlation. Method of study of correlation, there are main three methods: scatter diagram method, second is Gall-Pearson, it means product movement method, and third Charles-Spearman ring correlation. Short question, main three types of method: scatter diagram, Gall-Pearson product movement method, and Charles-Spearman ring correlation. Okay, so what define for correlation? The measure of the strength or linear correlation between two variables, it is called correlation coefficient. Correlation coefficient means strength. Measure of strength of linear relation between two variables, it is called correlation coefficient. The measure of strength, the two variables between them, it is called correlation coefficient. And the correlation coefficient is numerical measure. Okay, short question MCQ. Which type of measure? The numerical measure, and it is suggested by Gall-Pearson. Okay, numerical measure, and it is suggested by Gall-Pearson. Clear? Now next main point for the properties. Okay, Gall-Pearson product movement method. Properties and assumption. It is two most important question for the 2 and 3 marks. MCQ short question માં પણ એમાં જ પૂછાય છે બરાબર છે assumption and properties. So main assumption, first there is a linear relation between two variables. first assumption for the Karl Pearson method, linear correlation. Okay, there is linear relationship between two variables. You assume that two variables between શું છે linear relation. Okay, and now next second, there is a cause effect relationship between two variables. Second એવું આપણે assume કરવાનું કે two variable between શું છે cause and effect relation છે cause and effect. Okay, correlation is meaningless if there is no such relation. Okay, and meaningless હોય કોઈ relation છે. Are two assumptions. First, any relation between linear relation between two variable, and second, there is cause and effect relationship between two variable. Clear? Two assumptions. Next, properties. Short question and MCQ માટે most important. Properties for correlation coefficient. So first, the value of the correlation coefficient lie in interval -1 to +1. Correlation coefficient answer always flow in -1 to +1. Minimum -1, maximum 1. So -1 less than or equal to r less than or equal to 1. Symbolically MCQ now we are writing. Okay. Now next, number 2. The correlation coefficient is free from unit of measurement. Okay. Free from unit of measurement. નમીની જે આન્સર છે એમાંથી આપણે કેજી લિટર મીટર ડઝન ક્વિન્ટલ કોઈ રાઈટ નથી કરતા કોઈ ફ્રી ફ્રોમ યુનિટ ઓકે whatever may be the unit of the two variable does not have any unit of measurement. આ આન્સરમાં આપણે કોઈ યુનિટ શો નથી કરતા લિટર મીટર કેજી ટન ક્વિન્ટલ કંઈ નહીં ઓકે means free from unit. Next point number 3, the correlation coefficient between variable x and y is same of the one between y and x. X and y between variable find the same as one of between y and x. X and y to y and x. Both correlation coefficient are always same. That means r in bracket xy is equal to r in bracket yx. Both are equal. Clear? Number 4, fourth point. The correlation coefficient does not change with the change of ordinate scale. Most time we short question and MCQ. Okay, short question માટે most time we have points. So we do them. The correlation coefficient does not change with the change of ordinate scale. Okay? Here we answer માં change નથી does not change of ordinate scale. It means આપણે જે shortcut method UV method માં multiply divide કરી ત્યાં કોઈ જ changes answer માં આવશે. Any method use correlation coefficient R is always same. Number 5, short question MCQ. MCQ માટે most important છે point number 5. R in bracket -xy is equal to -r in bracket xy or R in bracket x minus y is equal to -r in bracket xy. Now meaning any one variable sign is changed, correlation coefficient sign is also changed. The x કે y બેમાંથી જો એક વેરીએબલ ની સાઇન ચેન્જ કરીએ another variable automatically શું થઈ જાય છે sign is also change. R is negative and both the variable sign is changed means x and y both are negative. R in bracket -x minus y. So minus minus plus means both variable sign is changed, correlation coefficient does not change. એટલે બંને વેરીએબલ ની જો સાઇન તમે ચેન્જ કરો તો correlation coefficient does not change. Clear all 5 points. First point, R answer by between -1 to +1. Second, free from unit. Number 3, okay, third point is R xy or R yx both are always same, does not change in ordinate scale. And fifth last point, one variable sign change, correlation coefficient is also change, and both variable sign is change, correlation coefficient is not change. Clear? 5 points to change short question MCQ માટે 2 and 3 marks માં આવશે proper. Clear? And the next point will be the interpretation of correlation coefficient. -1, 0 and 1. -1 means perfect negative, +1 means perfect positive, and 0 means lack of correlation. In one words, right કરી શકો. બરાબર છે? Was first r is equal to 1. R is equal to 1 means perfect positive. If r is equal to 1, then we can say that there is a perfect positive correlation between two variables. R is equal to 1 means we can say that the perfect positive correlation between two variables. When increase or decrease in the value of one variable result in increase or decrease in the value of other variable in constant proportion, then the value of r is 1. Means one variable will increase, another is also increase. One variable value is decrease, another variable is also decrease. Means same direction, then the value of r is 1. For such variable, we get all the points of the same straight line in increase direction, the scatter diagram. Scatter diagram. It's a positive. All points plotted in the line. Clear? Second, interpretation of r is equal to -1. -1 means perfect negative correlation between two variables. Okay? It means one variable value increase or decrease result in a decrease or increase in the other variable, then the value of r is -1. If r is equal to -1, then we can say that there is a perfect negative correlation between two variables. When increase or decrease in the value of one variable result in decrease or increase in the value of the other variable is constant proportion, then the value of r is -1. One variable increase, another is decrease. All point plotted in single line, but negative direction, decreasing direction. One variable increase, another is decrease. One variable decrease, another increase. Means our diagram of scatter diagram. This is perfect negative. For such variable, we get all the points same straight line in decreasing direction. Okay? All the points same straight line in decreasing direction in the scatter diagram. Illustration number 2. Number 3, interpretation of r is equal to 0. R is equal to 0 means lack of correlation. If r is equal to 0, then we can say that no linear correlation between two variables. Means two variables between two relation change. No relation between two variables. In other words, r is equal to 0, so absence of correlation and has two variables are said to be linearly unconnected. Okay, clear? Now next, write the sum. Important formula write down. Number 1, when the value of x and y, यानी कि value of x bar and y bar, words in when the value of x bar and y bar both are integer, means sum of x bar and y bar find करें, बनने नो आंसर सो integer means 8, 5, 12, 20, 38, 98, 103, all digits are integer. Okay, decimal point 1 more. X bar and y bar both are integer. Then correlation coefficient r is equal to sigma in bracket x minus x bar y minus y bar divided by in root sigma in bracket x minus x bar whole square into another root sigma y minus y bar whole square. Clear? આ મેથડ આપણે યુઝ કરવાનો when the value of x bar and y bar are integer. Now second formula. Write down when the value of x bar or y bar or x bar and y bar both are decimal. Both are decimal. Now meaning value of x bar decimal point मान सरल y bar નો આવે બંને નો decimal मान સરળ. Second formula is most suitable compared to first formula. Okay, so r is equal to n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y divided by first rule n sigma x square minus in bracket sigma x whole square into another rule n sigma y square minus sigma y whole square. Here second formula can use करना when the value of x bar and y bar both are decimal. Now next number 3. When the value of x or y or x and y above 100 in bracket write down shortcut method. Okay, means the value of x ke y above 100 one in value above 100 third formula is not suitable. But question paper में भी given है hint after question indicated take u is equal to x minus 1000 by 100 and v is equal to y less 10 by 5. तो compulsory तुम्हारे follow करना means shortcut methods. Okay, so r is equal to n sigma uv less sigma u into sigma v divided by in first rule n sigma u square minus sigma u whole square into another rule n sigma v square minus sigma v whole square. Clear? Where u is equal to x minus a divided by cx and v is equal to y minus b divided by c. Clear? Means any one formula for use કરી શકો અને ત્યાં સુધી કંઈ indicate કરેલું ન હોય. Okay, the second formula most suitable for all the question. Clear? Number 4. For fourth is at least short formula. The short question I used to provide 3 things. Okay. Number 4. When covariance is given. When covariance is given, covariance means SXY, COV, any other. Covariance is given. R is equal to covariance XY divided by standard deviation of X into standard deviation y. Okay, another one SXY divided by Sx into S1. Clear? Number 5. Number 4, covariance is given. Number 5, covariance is not given. Not given for the two formula. Number 1, R is equal to sigma in bracket x minus x bar minus y bar divided by n into Sx into S1. Okay? And number 2, R is equal to sigma xy minus n x bar y bar divided by n into Sx into S1. Here, covariance is not given for the first formula sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by n into Sx into S1. And next, another number 2, R is equal to sigma xy minus n x bar y bar divided by n into Sx into S1. Number 6, find the covariance. Okay, covariance find out for COV. Covariance xy is equal to, okay, sigma in bracket x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by n. First formula, or another formula, sigma xy minus n x bar y bar divided by n. We covariance find out from a wave formula. Any one formula used for solution. Number 7. Formula for standard deviation x. Okay, standard deviation x means Sx find out. Sx is equal to in root sigma x minus x bar whole square divided by n. Or another formula, in root sigma x square divided by n minus in bracket sigma x by n whole square. Okay. The information given in a related formula use or another formula, number 3, sigma x square by n minus in bracket x bar whole square. Okay. Any one formula use for a related information given. A related formula use for standard deviation of x find out. Next formula, standard deviation of y find out. Same to same example. Sy is equal to in root sigma in bracket y minus y bar whole square divided by n, or second formula, in root sigma y square by n minus sigma y by n whole square, or next formula, sigma y square by n minus y bar whole square. Any one formula used for given information. Clear? The formula Charles Pearson. Charles Spearman rank correlation formula number 9. Charles Spearman or rank correlation coefficient formula. R is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n in bracket n square minus 1, where d is equal to Rx minus R. Rank of X minus rank of Y. Okay. टोटल आगे फॉर्मूला आपका हमारे सेकंड चैप्टर में यूज करोगे. ओके. 5 marks का क्वेश्चन ऑप्शन, 3 marks, 2 marks, MCQ short question. 17 marks चैप्टर ऑप्शन. क्लियर? तो राइट डाउन. All formula related to or 3 sound which within बराबर है. Next is page number 83. Exercise 2.2, question number 1. From the following information obtained from a sample of 7 families of society regarding height of father and height of his adult son, calculate the correlation coefficient. Highlight words, find correlation coefficient. Height of father and height of son, both the variable values given in above 100. So above 100 using third formula, UV shortcut. Okay. Total 7 column draw it. And height of father is denoted by X. Height of son is denoted by variable Y. Height of father, variable write down 170, 169, 168, 167, 166, 165, and last 164. Total is denoted by sigma x. Okay, height of sun 172, 168, 170, 168, 165, 167, 166. Total is denoted by sigma. Okay. Now next, using this, first of all total, find out both the variable. So 170 plus 169 plus 168 plus 167 plus 166 plus 165 plus 164. 1169. Okay. Now next, height of sun 172 plus 168 plus 170 plus 168 plus 165 plus 167 plus 166. 1176. Okay, both value variable above 100. So using given method. So take u is equal to x question is given hint x is equal to u is equal to x minus 167 and b is equal to y minus 168. Hint already given in question. So compulsory summarize formula is u and v. Each and every value variable x minus 167. Same to same, each and every value of y minus 168. So at 170 minus 167. Answer is 3. Next 169 minus 167 to 168 minus 167 1 167 minus 167 0 166 minus 167 minus 1 165 minus 167 minus 2 164 minus 167 minus 3. Total is denoted by sigma u. Total is 0. Now next, u each and every value of y minus 168. So 172 minus 168. Answer is 4. Next 168 minus 168 0. 170 minus 168 2. 168 minus 168 0. 165 minus 168 minus 3. 167 minus 168 minus 1. 166 minus 168 minus 2. In total, find out is denoted by sigma b 0. Okay. Now next, uv, next one. Multiplication for u and v, third and fourth column multiplication. 3 into 4, 12. 2 into 0, 0. 1 into 2, 2. 0 into 0, 0. Minus 1 into minus 3, minus minus plus, 3 over 3. Minus 2, minus 1, minus minus plus, 2 on the 2. Minus 3 into minus 2, minus minus plus, 3 plus 6. Total is denoted by sigma u. So 12 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6. Total is 25. Now next column, u square. Third column, whole square. Okay. 3 into 3, 9. 2 into 2, 4. 1 into 1, 1. 0, 0. Minus 1 into minus 1, 1. Minus 2 into minus 2. And minus 3 into minus 3. Sigma u square. 9 plus 4 plus 1, 28. Sigma u square. And 7 last column, v square. Fourth column, whole square. Okay. 4 into 4 is equal to 0 into 0, 0. 2 into 2, 4. 0 into 0, 0. Minus 3 into minus 3. Minus 1 into minus 1. And minus 2 into minus 2. Total is denoted by sigma v square. So 16 plus 4 plus 9 plus 1 plus 4. Answer is 20. Clear? When the value of x and y both are above 100, so we are using UV method. Suppose in your question int is given, take u is equal to x minus 167 and b is equal to y minus 168. So u and b both values are 0. Next column uv multiplication of third and fourth column. Next u square third column whole square find out, and v square means fourth column whole square find out. So 25, 28 and 34. Now write the formula. R is equal to n sigma uv minus sigma u into sigma v divided by, in first group, n sigma u square minus sigma u whole square into another root n sigma v square minus sigma v whole square. Now next, take all the value n 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 observation total given. 7 uv equal to sigma uv 25 minus sigma u and sigma b. Sigma u, sigma v both values are 0, 0, 0 divided by into n 7 sigma u square 6 column total 28 minus sigma u whole square. Sigma u means 0, 0 whole square into another root n 7 sigma v square last 7 column 34 minus sigma v whole square. Sigma v value is 0, 0 whole square. Okay, now next, using this is 7 into 25. Answer 175 minus 0 into 0, 0. Divide by first root 7 into 28, 196 minus 0 whole square, 0 into another root 7 into 34, 238 minus 0 square, 0. Next, 175 minus 0, 175 as it is, divided by first root 196 into another root 238. Here first of all multiplication, then a product of root value. 175 divided by into 196 into 238, 4, 6, 6, 4, 8. Out of root 175 would divide by 215, but after 0.4 digit write down 9815. Get 5 digit more than 5. Next, 175 divided by 215.9815. Answer is 0.8103. So approximate answer is 0.81. So correlation coefficient between height of father and height of son 0.81. Values are above 0.5. It is called part near to 1, means partly positive correlation between two variables.